Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix Uber Eats app not working. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device and all of your device settings will be displayed. Simply scroll down a little bit and tap on the apps feature and all of the installed apps on your device will be displayed. Now, you just need to locate the Uber Eats app and access it. Inside app settings, make sure that the data usage is set to 0. After that, access the storage tab. Then tap on the clear data button at the bottom of the screen and clear it. This will help reset any issues that may be affecting the background check. Once you have cleared the cache, open the Play Store application and search for Uber Eats. Now uninstall the app and then reinstall it to get a fresh version. So that's basically how you can fix Uber Eats app not working. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.